What is up, y'all? I wanted to come on here really quick and show you how I go ahead and change this bob from brown to black using the watercolor method. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. Alright, so this wig is for one of my clients and she wanted her hair from brown to black, so we're going to go ahead and do that. And the first thing we want to do is protect the lace. That is the number one job, okay, of this process, is to protect the lace. You want to color the hair, I get that, but you want to protect the lace. You do not want to have any type of hair dye on the lace. So how we prevent the lace from being compromised is that we protect it using the Got2b glue. Now we're using both glues, the one in the yellow and the one in the black. We're going to put more of the yellow tube glue into the bowl, half of the clear gel in the black in the bowl, and we're going to mix that together. That is going to be a paste that we cover the lace with. So once you get that all covered, you're going to blow dry the paste so it can get hard. Once it gets hard, you are good to go to start coloring. If it's not hard, if it is still wet, I suggest that you go ahead and dry it some more. Alright, so I'm using two colors from Revlon Color Silk. This is natural black, I believe, and this tub, I got this from Walmart, but you can use anything that you can you have space to submerge your wig. Alright, so I put some warm water in here, not too hot, just something warm, because I want the color to penetrate in this water. And I throw both bottles in there, mix it up. And then I go ahead and submerge my wig. I actually put it in slowly, starting from the bottom. I'm trying to make sure that the lace is not submerged deeply into the water, because you really want to make sure that the lace is the last thing that enters the water. So once I put it in there, I make sure that the lace is kind of sitting up, if that makes sense, and all the hair is actually in the water. I check it from time to time, but I let that sit for about 30 minutes. Make sure that I completely check it every couple minutes. And then as you can see, the hair is completely black. And if you look at the glue is actually now purple. So you want to make sure that the glue is still intact, that the water did not break down the glue. And once you see that, you just go ahead and wash the wig and wash that glue out. And as you can see, the hair is black and the glue is gone and the lace is still intact. You do not have any type of black on the lace. It is a simpler way. I just want to come on here really quick and show you guys how I did this. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. Hit me up down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.